Hi, I'm Sam. I'm one of the mechatronics engineers at UXV Technologies. UXV Technologies is a leading supplier of ground control solutions delivered to our customers with their specifications and their branding. In this video, I want to talk to you about our Aeronav. This is one of our market-leading products that we have on the market, and it's built around the Panasonic FZ G1. It boasts an Intel CPU with 8 hours battery life. What we've done is we've incorporated two handles on the left and the right with a variety of joysticks, switches, and buttons. Additionally, we also have two USB ports in the bottom right, and we also have an RJ45 port at the top. The device is radio agnostic, and we can also include many different varieties of radios, hardware, switches, joysticks, and anything that the customer wishes. If you'd like to know more, please visit uxvtechnologies.com.